Good morning and welcome to day 10. Today we are heading to Blizzard Beach for the day. Well, I say for the day, we're planning to leave there sort of early afternoon time, come back to the hotel for some showers, and then we'll be heading over to Mall at Millennia, and we'll be visiting the Cheesecake Factory and probably Bath and Body Works again. Just when we were paying last night, I noticed some candles that I wanted to purchase, and I think Stu wants to get a couple more bits from there. And then hopefully, time permitting, we'll be heading down to Disney Springs. We haven't managed to spend a lot of time down there this trip, and I think this will be our last opportunity, so we'll be going down there. I'm going to switch over now to the GoPro for when we get to the park. The time is 9:20 and the aqua park opens at 10. So we're just walking over to the chairlifts now, and we're going to go on Steamboat Springs. Ellis, you're going to have a closer look at Summit Plummet as well, aren't you? So we're just here at the Lost Water Lodge. Stu's just gone and ordered the food. So we're having chicken strips all round with the steak fries. The fries here are amazing. They're not like the normal American fries which you can get. They're proper like chunky chips. They're so good. So we're just going to have a little chill now. The time is, Summer, what's the time?
It is 11:56.
11:56, so just before midday. We're having an early lunch just because we've got the Cheesecake Factory planned in later. And so far, what have we been on, guys? What have we been on?
The Lazy River and Steamboat Springs. And then we did a bit of the wave pool, but I only went to certain...
You having a good time?
Yeah. It looked like my legs, sort of like my waist. Because Mummy and Daddy didn't want to go in.
Hungry? It's all that swimming, isn't it?
How many calories have I burned? 80.
80?
I've burned 84.
Mm.
To beat.
take this chance and fly away with me. Let's break your chains and give you time to heal. So I wait while you take your time. I wait while you take your time. Wait while you take your time. You take your time. I know you will find your way from all this. I know there's a brighter day for you. Tell me, what are you saying? What game are we playing? I want us to be for real now, real now. Oh, so I wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. I will wait while you take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. Wait while take your time. And darling, baby, take your time.
So we've just ridden loads of rides, some we could film, some we couldn't film, and now we've just come off the lazy river and we are heading over for one last ride, and we've decided it's going to be Teamboat Springs. So we're just going to catch the ski lift, chairlift up to Mount Gushmore and go on Teamboat Springs one last time. And we're just talking about cheesecake, making me really hungry. So the time is 5:15. We've just come back from the water park and we've had a really fun day at Blizzard Beach. Last year I thought we preferred Typhoon Lagoon over Blizzard Beach and Typhoon Lagoon, but this time round we really enjoyed Blizzard Beach more overall. We got a lot done, some things we'd never done before, some things we hadn't done for a long time. And we're now about to head on out for a meal that we've all been really excited about this trip, and one that we've never done before. We've had cheesecake from there but not an actual meal, so we're going to Mall at Millennia for the Cheesecake Factory. So we're gonna have some food there and then go to Disney Springs after that. So we're just in Cheesecake Factory now. We have been waiting quite a while for the food, but it has just come out. Stu's got the mac and cheese burger. Looks really good, and Ellis has got the pepperoni flatbread, which he's going to be sharing with Summer. He's going to be having spaghetti meatballs. The lady's just come over and said the pasta is really busy tonight. There's a slight delay, but she's going to bring it out as soon as possible. So Stu's and Ellis are going to tuck in now in the meantime. So the kids' spaghetti meatball has come. It is only just the one meatball, not anymore. And my pasta's come. I've got like a battered shrimp pasta. So we have now just got in the car. The time is 9:15. We're just leaving Mall at Millennia now. We only went to a couple of places. We did Cheesecake Factory. The food, my pasta was amazing. As I said earlier on, it was a bit rushed in the actual vlog, but we did have to wait quite a long time for our food. Stu's and Ellis's came. Stu had the burger, Ellis had the flatbread, and then it was a good sort of probably about another 5 to 10 minutes until mine and Summer's came. Summer had the spaghetti and meatball, and I had, can you remember what it was called now? No. It was a pasta dish, I can't remember what it was called, but it had shrimp, shrimp salad, it had like a lemon dressing, lemon and cream. It was really good. It was, I said to the server it was worth the wait. It was so nice. But we got the bill and they kindly removed mine and Summer's off the total. So we had 4 cheesecakes to go, which we will have some and 2 of them later. and then save the other 2 for another day. And obviously mains, a drink each, and the total cost came to $66 plus after tax plus a tip. So absolute bargain meal there. Obviously it should have been a lot more. And then we've just been in Bath and Body Works and got a few more bits from Bath and Body Works. Stuart did his trick again at the till, trying to find his email with the 20% off code. The lady said, oh, don't worry about it, I'll just apply it. So she said, I've got the code, so we got a 20% off deal again. So we've got another buy 3 get 3 free in the body washes, body mists and scrubs and things like that. So if I remember later, I'll show you what we bought tonight from Bath and Body Works. We're just going to head back to the hotel now, drop off the cheesecakes because I'm conscious that the cream is already melting on them, and oh, I'm glowing. And then and then we'll go on to, are we going to go to Disney Springs or not, because it's getting on now, it's nearly 9 o'clock. In case you didn't realise, we're actually already down Disney Springs, aren't we now? We've just been watching that saxophonist player called Don Black, and he was absolutely amazing. He has reduced me to tears. It was so good. Definitely going to look him up on Facebook, aren't we? He played lots of like current music as well, didn't he?
Yeah, and also he
Despacito.
has really long nose.
He did. So we've just come in the Co-op store at Disney Springs. And we just found a poster for Ellis's bedroom that he'd love. It's a People Mover one, and it's also got Space Mountain in it as well. Your other favourite ride, hasn't it? There's one for you, Stu, Carousel of Progress. And who's at the bottom there, Ellis?
Look at Alice.
You can get some really cool stuff in this Co-op shop that you can't get around the parks. You tend to find that they've got the same merchandise in all the park shops and the hotels, but here they've got some really cool things. Oh, that is nice. Just looking at these little postcards that you can get as well, like for frames. That one's really cute. It's all the characters looking down at the castle in Main Street. Where's that? Hang on, Ellis. Oh, I love that one. Absolutely love that picture. Could imagine that up in my house. How cute this dress is. Dumbo, don't just fly, Saw. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, little Dumbo ears. That'd be good for Dapper Day, wouldn't it? Could they go Dumbo themed? What summer?
We do extra magic hours at Magic Kingdom. We can go on Dumbo.
Yay!
I saw a lady wearing, a staff member wearing this dress.
Did you? It's cute. It's got all the dogs. It's got all the. Oh no, it's not just Disney. Oh, is it all the Disney dogs? I wouldn't class Stitch as a dog. Would you? It's cute though, isn't it? All Disney dog dress.
I don't know that.
Don't recognise him. Comment down below if you know who this guy is. Look. Come round.
Who is that?
Can you imagine, son, if you had a Disney wedding theme, like getting married in this dress? How perfect would it be? Stu, I just said, can you imagine? Can you imagine if you got married, like, that dress would be like perfect if you had a Disney wedding?
That's what that woman had on the other day.
Oh, was it? That's
the one who got married, yeah. One who's what
are these?
Plates.
Oh, like metal ones? Crockery?
Plastic.
Oh, Baymax is cute, isn't it? Don't touch.
Yes, I don't.
Nah, mugs are nice, aren't they? I always love the mugs. They're proper like cashing in all the snacks, aren't they, at the moment? Tea towels are really cute. So we've just got back to the room. The time is now 11:30 and we've had a really, really lovely evening at Disney Springs. We didn't realise that the shops actually closed at 11 o'clock. We thought it was open a lot later than that. But I think it's just really the restaurants and the bars that stay open like sort of past midnight. But we had a really lovely evening. We had a look in quite a few shops. The highlight was definitely that saxophone player. I just cannot get over how good he was. The notes that he held, and oh, it was just amazing. I'm actually like was really tempted to get his CD, but I'm gonna have a look him up on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube when we get back. Look more into him. I know he's playing at Disney Springs tomorrow. I've googled. I don't think we're gonna get back down there in time tomorrow because we're doing extra magic hours in Epcot. But he does play at Animal Kingdom every day, it says, every afternoon daily. So maybe we might be able to catch him on, what day is it? Wednesday when we go. Yeah, hopefully, because I absolutely loved him. And his name is Don Black. And I think his website is Don Black Sax on Facebook as well and Instagram. We're just going to show you now what we've bought earlier on at Mall at Millennia. So shall we have a little look-see? So we did go back to Bath and Body Works again, as I said. So we've got one of these champagne toast, what's this? The body cream. So it's got the 24-hour moisture. These are really, really good moisturisers. So the champagne toast, that smells really, really good. Got 2 of the champagne toast. 1,000 Wishes. Stu loves this one. It's a foaming sugar scrub. Now I personally, and I think Stu does as well, we love the scrubs. It's got like the exfoliating, like the gritty bits in it. I bought the Black Sand body scrub. It's black coconut sands. Yeah, it smells amazing. Oh, I just hope these last us till the next trip. Well, we have got a lot, but I love my Bath and Body Works. And then we've got Pretty as a Peach foaming sugar scrub as well. It's fine. And then I also bought the Hello Beautiful foaming sugar scrub. I love these sugar scrubs. Yeah. And then I bought a couple of candles.
They look amazing.
So we've got the black cherry one. Someone's gonna have a little sniff. Give us your verdict, your review.
It smells quite like
black cherry.
Smells like black cherry.
Ellis, do you know a little smell? See if you like the smell of it.
Hand sanitizer as well.
Do you like it? Yeah, it smells nice, doesn't it? And the other one I got, which I like the scent of, is Endless Weekends. It's White Barn scented candle. Again, another single wick. These are in a deal. I believe it was 2 for $18. Summer again will smell this one for you.
I'm just going to smell them all so I can like tell you.
Total for all of these came to $57.51, including the tax. So we had a good deal there, didn't we? That's enough to last us a good while. Do you like that one?
It smells like I don't know what it smells like. It smells nice, but I don't know how to explain that really.
Smell it to Ellis. Give it to Ellis to smell. See what he thinks. What do you think it smells like? Let's have a smell.
It smells like grapes and strawberry at the same time.
Grapes and strawberry. I don't know what it smells like. I can't just explain it, but it does smell nice though, doesn't it?
So I bought an Indiana Jones racer's car from Disney. This Candyland game.
Wow, I bet you can't wait to play that when we get back.
Yeah.
Something to look forward to.
And instead of like a dice, on the back, you don't roll a dice. You flip a card, and for example, you can get 7 dwarfs. So you start there.
So you get like a diamond.
And then you can go, wherever diamond, if you go skip there.
Okay then, let's pop it away then. Should we go and have some cheesecake now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep with this on my bed.
Well, that's not going to be very cuddly. I'm glad Daddy's sleeping with you tonight. So, we've just got the cheesecake out the fridge. We're not eating all this tonight, but I just wanted to show you what we've bought. So, some of them have taken a little bit of a battering, as Stuart would say. I don't think it's us though. I think it's just when they've been cut. So this is one of mine. So that's the white chocolate and raspberry. Now we have got 2 peanut buttery ones, haven't we?
Yeah.
There's like a Reese's one, and then there's a Butterfinger one. I think that's mine, Butterfinger.
Hold on. So there's a Reese's peanut butter chocolate cake cheesecake. That's mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So if we get the picture.
That's got to be the Reese's one there. I'm sure that one's the Reese's. So what we're trying to do is, just so we know who is, because there's a few chocolate ones, we can't remember what they look like, so Stu's just on Google. I can't remember what it was called now. It had a boy's name in it. Was it Tim?
Adam.
Adam, that's it.
Adam's peanut butter cups.
Yeah.
I've got some bad news for you.
What? Is that it?
Yours are the 2 battered ones.
Oh, that's so unfair. That means you can share yours with the kids. I reckon you're lying.
Right. Reese's. Looks just like that. Yeah. Adam's. Looks just like that.
Gutted. Oh well, at least we know. And no, it's fine. And what's the other one?
Oh,
That one.
Yeah.
Toasted marshmallow.
Oh, s'mores. Yeah. And this is the s'mores one. See if I can get it at a better angle. That Stu decided to order. So we're just going to tuck in now. We'll decide which ones we want, and then we're going to go to bed for the night. So tomorrow we have got planned Hollywood Studios in the main part of the day, and then we're checking into another Disney hotel tomorrow. So we will be spending some extra magic hours at Epcot on the late afternoon, evening time. Not sure where we're eating yet. We're going to go out for some breakfast, then not sure where in the evening. Probably somewhere in a park, whether it be a table service or a quick service, I'm not sure. But we will see you tomorrow, and all will be revealed which hotel we're staying in next. So say goodnight, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.